Hey, welcome to Graphic Policy Television, GPTV. I'm Brett. In my hands is the Blokees Transformers Galaxy version 2. Now, this is just really fun model kits. If you are a fan of Transformers, it's a great way to go about it. Blokees are relatively cheap. They're smaller figures. You can see how big one is. And they go for about $13 or so. They're random blind boxes, so you have no idea what you're going to get. But here, for version 2 or release 2, this is all the figures available. We've done 4 of them so far. Let's open up and see what our 5th one is. Now, for those who have watched, you know, generally these follow a pattern as to how they go together. So we got purple. It's purple. It's looking like a little Nemesis Prime. Oh no, this is the Shattered Glass Optimus Prime, not Nemesis. Nemesis would be black. This is the Shattered Glass Optimus Prime. Very, very cool. I'm a huge fan of the Shattered Glass thing and just misspoke. So let's go and put this together. Hey, thanks for watching the previous video from Graphic Policy Television. Just by watching, you help support our site. Thank you so much. Now, if you're watching these videos, you probably care about geeky things like movies, television, comic books, toys, games, video games, you name it. You can go and subscribe right now to our YouTube channel to stay in touch and catch all the new videos, or check out our website at graphicpolicy.com. There's a nice link on this end of the video. But as always, thank you for watching. Keep on rocking and keep it geeky.